you, kiddos, and welcome to Let's Get Drawing. Guys, if you're not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell so you'll be reminded of our future videos. Today, we drew one of our family's favorite treats. What is it, Annalise?
An ice cream cone.
An ice cream cone. Let's hold them up and show them what we drew. So by the end of this episode, you should have an ice cream cone that looks like one of these. All right, guys, go ahead and grab some paper, something to draw with, and something to color with, and we will get started drawing our ice cream cone. All right, let's start kind of on the bottom half of our paper with our cone, and we are going to make a V shape that sort of curves at the bottom a little bit. So we're going to come in, we're going to draw down, and then when we get towards the bottom, we're going to almost turn it into a U shape, kind of round it off a little bit, and then come back up the other side.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna make this out of
Mine's skinny.
the skinny cone. That's all right.
Yep.
Okay, and then maybe I'm just a little bit taller there. So we're gonna do this little line. This is gonna be a waffle cone because those are yummy. And we're gonna do this little squiggly line that kind of starts on the edge here and kind of squiggles in at an angle, like where the cone is wrapped. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll be yummy. Okay, and then we're gonna do our ice cream scoops, and we're gonna do 2 scoops. And let's start right here, and we're gonna do this sort of like a C shape. Okay, and then we're gonna come across, and we're gonna wiggle down, back up, and just kind of wiggle around here until you get to the other edge, and turn that into a C shape. A backward C, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, yum. All right, and then let's bring a line up on this side. Kind of curves a little bit towards the center. Another one on the other side, curves towards the center. All right, and then we're going to do our other scoop on top here. So let's do a C shape. Okay, and then wiggle across, and then backward C on the other side.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I didn't make it.
It's okay, just bring that side up and wiggle.
And then a backwards.
Yeah, backward C. All right, and then let's go up to the top. And we are going to come up higher, and I'm going to do this just little dent, little bump right there on the top, and bring it all the way back to the other side.
Okay.
That's where we're going to put our cherry on top.
That's not.
Yay! Okay, and then cherry on top. So we're going to draw a C shape. Again, lots of C shapes with ice cream.
Okay.
Okay, and then on the other side, I'm going to bring it around this way, like the backward C, a little bit bigger. All right, and then we're going to give it sort of a tall stem. And then I'm going to bring this one back and over and in. So I kind of crossed it, went down and crossed over the line. Yeah, I like it. All right, what's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
Probably chocolate or Oreo.
Oh, yeah, that sounds great. Okay, so then let's go ahead and do a few sprinkles on top. You can do whatever shape you want to do. I'm going to do some little round and then some little oval shapes too. Just sort of random on here. I'll put those however you want to. Some little sprinkles. Do you like sprinkles?
Yeah, I love sprinkles.
I'm not a fan, but that's okay. Karina loves sprinkles too, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Okay, once you get a few sprinkles on there, let's jump down and do the cone. So we're going to make that like crisscross pattern for the waffle cone. So let's start, and these lines curve just a tiny bit. So I'm going to start these going this way. All the way across. Okay. And then we're going to come back the other way, so it's almost making like little X's. Come back this way. Okay. Make our little crosshatch sort of pattern. All right. And then this one. All right. There. All right. Okay. And then where the cone is wrapped, that pattern usually doesn't line up perfectly. So let's change the angle of it just a little bit. Does that sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let's go almost a little more flat on this one. How about it? So we off just a little bit. Okay. All right, and then, excuse me, let's come back in sort of this way. What do you think?
Sure.
There we go. So I came down. It's almost like a little bit off from vertical. So tilt it this way just a little bit. Yeah, you got it. Perfect. And ice cream makes me happy. So I think we should draw a cute little face. What do you think?
Okay, sure.
Let's do it. So let's draw a line straight across right here for the mouth. It'll be a silly ice cream cone. And then we're going to make like a big U shape. Comes back up. Okay, another straight line across right here. Good. And then this is shapes almost like the top of a heart for the tongue. So down, up. Very good. And then let's do the eyes closed. So we're going to do like a little rainbow shape. All right. And one on the other side. Little rainbow shape. Okay. And then how about some little eyelashes on the end? What do you think? Okay. I think we're finished drawing our ice cream cones, and we're going to fast forward the video, and we have to pick what flavors we're going to color. Sound good? Okay. All right, here we go. All right, guys, we are finished coloring our ice cream cones. What flavors did you go with?
I went with sorbet, raspberry, and lemon.
Oh, yum. Okay, I went with strawberry and vanilla. Guys, you can pause the video and you can match one of these colorings at home, or you can color it however you like. Pick your favorite flavors. Thanks for drawing with us today. We had fun drawing our ice cream cones, and in fact, I think I want to go get some ice cream.
Yay, ice cream!
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.